everyone, welcome back to my channel Neero Style Corner. In today's video, I am going to show you 3 ways of green tea for face and its benefits. First, I have prepared green tea to show you. Here I have used tea bag. If you have green tea leaves, you can also use that. Let the green tea soak and let it cool or come to a room temperature. Now, first we will see how to reduce puffiness under eyes. For that, we will take a cotton pad and cut into halves and soak them in green tea water and squeeze out the excess water. And place the cotton pad under your eyes for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can also refrigerate the cotton pad for about 30 minutes and then place it under your eyes when it is cool. You can do this and see the results gradually. You can do this every day for about 15 to 20 minutes for visible results. Next, we will see how to prepare face cream by using green tea to get a glowing and clear skin. For this, we will add 2 spoons of green tea water and add 1 spoon of aloe vera gel to it and mix it well until you get a cream-like consistency. Now, apply this to your face at night so that your skin has time to soak all the goodness of green tea and the aloe vera gel. This cream helps to reduce the pigmentation and scar of pimples so that your skin looks clear and gives you that clear skin glow. This will not give you any oily look, but it will absorb into the skin very easily. You can apply this every day to get a clear skin. This amount which I have shown you, you can use it 2 to 3 times. So the leftover cream, you can store it in a small airtight container and refrigerate it so that you can use it the next time. But use it within 2 days as we are preparing it fresh and applying it onto our face. After preparing it, and try to make fresh after 2 days. Don't use it after 3-4 days. So make it fresh whenever you're preparing and apply it onto your face. So this is how it absorbs immediately and quickly. You can also apply it in the morning. Next, we will see how to reduce the size of pimple overnight within just 2 to 3 days and with just 2 ingredients. So, take a little bit of multani mitti or fuller's earth and add little bit of green tea water to it to get a paste-like consistency. And then next, we are going to do a spot treatment for the growing pimple to reduce. So take a cotton bud and dip it in the paste, or try to take some paste on the cotton bud and do a spot treatment. That is, just apply some only over the area of the pimple where the pimple has grown on the pimple. So before doing this, wash your face thoroughly so that there is no dirt accumulated on your face, and then apply this on your pimple. Next, leave it overnight and you can see that the pimple has reduced, and the redness which the pimple has given to that particular area also has reduced. Within just 2 to 3 applications or 2 to 3 days, the pimple will reduce. The reduce its size, so without allowing the pimple to grow big. So these were some of the green tea uses which you can try and which are very useful. So here I'm showing you how to just apply it onto your pimples. Just do a spot treatment. You don't have to apply completely on your face. Just on the pimple area you can apply and leave it overnight, so you can see the result the next day itself. So yes, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Until my next video, bye.